Ever wondered how to price your new business product or service? Well, you're not alone. Pricing is a crucial element of any business and can be the difference between success and failure. Today, we're going to delve into different pricing strategies and how you can apply them to your new business venture. First on our list is cost-plus pricing. This is the most straightforward pricing strategy. You simply calculate the cost of producing your product or service, add a markup for your profit, and there you have it, your price. It's simple, easy to understand, and ensures you cover your costs and make a profit. Next up is competitive pricing. This strategy involves setting your price based on what your competitors are charging. It's a great strategy if you're operating in a highly competitive market. However, remember to always factor in your costs to ensure you're still making a profit. Third on our list is value-based pricing. This strategy involves setting your price based on the perceived value of your product or service to the customer. It's a little more complex, but it can be incredibly effective. This strategy requires a deep understanding of your customers and their needs and wants. Next, we have penetration pricing. This strategy involves setting a low initial price to attract customers and gain market share. Once you've established a customer base, you can then gradually increase your price. This strategy can be risky, but it can also be a fantastic way to break into a new market. Finally, we have premium pricing. This strategy involves setting a high price to reflect the high quality, exclusivity, or unique features of your product or service. It's a great strategy if you're offering a high-end product or service, but it requires a strong brand and marketing strategy to back it up. So, to sum up, we've looked at 5 different pricing strategies. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all strategy. The best pricing strategy for your business will depend on a variety of factors, including your costs, your market, your customers, and your product or service. So, don't be afraid to experiment and see what works best for you. And remember, pricing is not set in stone. You can always adjust your prices as your business evolves and grows. Thanks for joining us on this journey through pricing strategies. Don't forget to come back for more financial insights and tips. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.